Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about modifications that really help improve the experience when you're driving the car. This can be many things, from how it sounds, how it drives, how quick the car is to respond to throttle inputs. It can be many different things to many people. So with that in mind, these are the first 5 items that I feel made my car more fun to drive. So first on the list is manifolds. I have got an eBay special, I'm sad to say. It's given me 181 horsepower and I'm happy with it at the moment. Down the line I am going to go down the route of a more reputable company and have it remapped to suit. There are many options out there, and at the moment I'm very much leaning towards an IO Motorsport manifold. But I'd love to hear what your choices are and why you choose them over the IO Motorsport. Moving on to remaps, this is essential if you remove the front cat or change the manifold. And as you can see, I got 181.4 horsepower and 156 pounds-foot of torque. My remap was done by Clive at Autronics Developments. He was very knowledgeable and a really nice chap. The way the car feels is massively better. There is no longer a hesitation in the mid-range and the car pulls a lot nicer. I did expect a loss in miles per gallon, but when you drive normally, you actually gain miles per gallon, which I was quite shocked by. Pre-mapping I was getting around 28-29 miles per gallon. I am now getting 33-34. And I must stress the map was done using Shell V-Power 99 and tuned to match. Number 3 on my list is backboxes or rear silencers. Now I personally have the BBR Super Sport backbox, and some people find it a bit loud. It's very much a personal preference, but there are many to choose from, including having custom ones made. I got the Super Sport only due to the fact a member of the forums was selling it for a really ridiculously low price, and I thought, why not just have a go and see if you like it, and I do. It can sometimes feel a bit obtrusive and a bit loud, but generally with the roof off it's actually nicer than with the roof on. With the roof up it does actually seem to be louder than the roof down, which is a bit bizarre to say, but I can only assume it's because it's booming through the boot. Due to the cost of manifolds and mapping, I understand why people put this at number 1 on the list, but I personally find the performance increase of the manifold and the map way outweighs the difference in sound, as the rear exhaust doesn't seem to provide much performance difference. It mainly focuses on sound and acoustics. At number 4 on my list is the ram air induction intake. I've added this to the Mx5 along with the sound tube delete and silicone intake, and it really does make the car sound a lot nicer when you're really giving it full throttle. It also seems to have helped when going through the rev range at flattening out flat spots and making the acceleration feel much more linear. I must say the first thing I did with the kit before installation was throw away the foam filter that comes with the kit and buy the ProRam all metal filter. This is because I've seen reports and pictures of people's foam filters where stones and debris have peppered it and broke down the foam, therefore providing no filtration. If any of you out there have pictures of the foam filters that have been damaged, please send them to me so I can make a video on this issue, so we can pre-warn future owners, as I am hoping to do a review on the intake as a whole. Number 5 is a commonly overlooked performance stroke driving feel mod. Now, I've had this done because I felt the Mark III diff had a lot of play in it following 10 years of driving. Since changing it, I've noticed there seems to be a lot less drift in the diff when you're accelerating from a standstill, and you don't seem to get the jarring as much at low speed. It comes in 2 stiffnesses, 70 and 80, 70 being more aimed at road users and 80 more at track users. I've personally went for the 80 because I would rather put up with more noise and have a better feel and more direct acceleration. Well, that's it for the top 5 of my driving experience mods. I'd love to hear what your top 5 mods would be, and I'm very much looking forward to doing the 2nd edition. And now on to some news. I have a 5-race roll bar and door bar kit that's on its way to me as we speak. I bought this for when I'm taking my daughter out in the Mx5, as I thought it's an extra bit of peace of mind and safety, as well as making the chassis more rigid. I'm very much looking forward to installing this on the car, and even more excited to see how it changes the way the car handles. So I'm hoping to have an installation video and a review video coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.